Fu-style Tai Chi lightning palm. This form was created by Master Fu's grandfather, ShengLong Fu. This form has Tai Chi and BaGua sections. It is intermediate level, with soft and hard, spinning and turning the waist. Master Fu will demonstrate front view and back view from beginning to end. Movement number 3. Grasp bird's tail in 4 directions. Right, left, front and back.
现在是动作名称第3四正揽雀尾，共分4个方向，右、左、前、后。现在是左边 ，right now is left side。这样的 front， 前边。back side， 后边。
Movement number 4, single whip.
第4，单边。
Movement number 5, diagonal lift hand, right.
第5，右斜提手。
Movement number 6, white crane spreads wings.
第6，白鹤亮翅。
Movement number 7, step forward, roll, brush knee, left side and right.
第7，进步滚手搂膝。现在是右边。
Movement number 8, deflect, parry and punch.
第8，搬南捶。
Movement number 9, withdraw and push.
第9，如风赤壁。
Movement number 10, cross hands.
第10，十字手。
Movement number 11, fist under elbow.
11，肘底看捶。
Movement number 12, brush knee.
12，搂膝腰部左边。
Movement number 13, retreat, roll, brush knee.
13，退步滚手搂膝。
Movement number 14, fan through back.
14，上通背。
Movement number 15, cross hands, left side.
15，十字手左边。
Movement number 16, embrace tiger, return to mountain.
16，抱虎归山。
Movement number 17, play the lute.
17，手挥琵琶。
Movement number 18, Push in 4 directions.
18四正冲拳。
Movement number 19. Step forward with piercing palm.
19进步穿掌。
Movement number 20. Left vertical piercing palm.
20左穿琵琶。
Movement number 21. Repulse monkey, right, left, and right side.
21倒脸猴。
Movement number 22. Part wild horse's mane in 4 directions.
22四正分钟。 Right side, the left side. And change the right side. And the left side.
Movement number 23. Snake creeps down, left and right side.
23左右下视。
Movement number 24. Twist at waist, single whip, left and
Cutting.
right.
24扭转单边。
Movement number 25. Right swing and left cover.
25右轮左盖。
Movement number 26. Fair lady works at shuttles in 4 corners.
26玉女穿梭。左 left right 现在 right now is right side and left. Right.
Movement number 27. Step forward and brush knee, left side.
27进步搂膝左边。
Movement number 28. Step back, roll, brush knee, left, right, and left.
28倒步滚手搂膝左右左。
Movement number 29. Needle to sea bottom.
29海底针左边。
Movement number 30. Fan through the back.
30上通背。
Movement number 31. White snake shows tongue.
31白蛇吐信 left side and the right side.
Movement number 32. Deflect, parry, and punch, right side.
32搬南锤右边。
Movement number 33. Kick right foot.
33右踢脚。
Movement number 34. Hit the tiger, left and right.
34左右打虎 right now left side and the right side now.
Movement number 35. Kick right foot.
35右踢脚。
Movement number 36. Double wind blows to ears.
36双风贯耳。
Movement number 37, kick left foot.
37左踢脚。
Movement number 38, brush knee left.
38左搂膝。
Movement number 39, turn back and brush knee right.
39右转右搂膝。
Cutting.
Number 40, step forward, left, right, and grasp bird's tail.
40进步揽雀尾，左右进步。So step left foot and step right foot.
41, wave hands like clouds. Left side 5 times.
41左行云手。
42, groin punch.
42指裆捶。
43, right step forward with right high punch.
43右进冲传。
44, punch and push in 4 directions.
44右进扑按。 4进扑按，4个方向啊。
45, turn level wipe pierce.
45转摸穿插。
46, wave hands like clouds, right side 5 times.
46右行云手。
47, high kick right and left.
47右左高踢。
48, right piercing palm, snake creeps down.
48右穿下扑。
49, form 7 stars.
49上步七升。
50, ride the tiger.
50退步跨虎。
51, jump high and sweep the lotus with one leg.
51跳转百年。
52, shoot tiger with bow.
52弯弓射虎。
53, right and left spin with the spit out palm.
53右左旋兔掌。现在右边 ，right side and the left side now.
Cutting.
54, left carry circle, right spin.
54左抱右旋。
55, ward off and left piercing palm.
55右架左穿。
56, left spin cover.
56左旋盖。
57, insert pierce, fan and cover palms.
57插穿扇盖。
58, right turn, jump and press.
58右转跳挤。
59, left turn, right cut.
59左旋右砍。
60, insert piercing palms, right left.
60右插左穿。
61, soar in the air, claws pierce.
61凌空抓冠。
62, sweep, turn, spring first.
62少旋弹锤。
63, right retreat, swing, leap.
63右退轮跳。
64. Swing, raise the frame, pick up.
64轮提架挑。
65. Retreat, left, right, deflect, parry, and punch.
65退步搬南捶。
66. Withdraw and push.
66如风赤壁。
67. Cross hands.
67十字手。
68. Conclusion of Tai Chi.
68收式。